We're going to let you all introduce yourself, but I know you've had some long journeys here, and it's just amazing to get this group together and do what we're going to do for the next 3 days.
Because even though we're in our 27th year, there's still a lot of learning that's taking place. There's still a lot of things that we're trying to figure out.
At the bottom, Prime Minister Trudeau said that he wanted to create better opportunities for Indigenous people and certainly for Indigenous youth, and that's precisely what we hope to achieve.
One is a shorter boot camp, which is a pre-apprenticeship program, and the other is a one-year program, which includes 6 months on site and then on in-work support.
So that's our mission, right? We want to have young people have a meaningful role in creating positive change.
Studying this is our effort to do the alternative high school, we said, in Mexico, for the students who has already finished what we call secondary, which is middle class.
We had a very huge budget cut recently in Brazil, and education was the most affected area.
In the last 3 years at the Re-Engagement Center, we've seen almost 3,000 young people.
Most youth graduate from public schools, and a lot of these public schools are in previously disadvantaged areas.
These next 2.5 days for us represent 3, as we say in English, firsts. We've never pulled together YouthBuild leaders from the US network and our international network to focus on one theme together. And the theme here is looking at education and creating an alternative pathway for young people who have dropped out of the formal school system. There's a ton of innovation in each country. What we want to do is to draw it and start to stitch it together into a global strategy.
School was a thing that I never felt was like for me, or that I wanted it for me. It's just something you just do. You know, you grow up, go to school, and move on until you graduate, and you don't think about your future. When I came here, it was like, okay, think about your future. What do you want to be? You can do anything. You can be anyone you want to be. And it was something that, you know, that I really loved. And like, I thought about school for me now.
Facilitating on restorative justice, come over to this corner. When I say go. If you're interested in universal design for learning, go to that corner. If you're interested in metacognition, go to that corner. And if you're interested in culturally sustaining pedagogy, go to this corner.
So really embedding it throughout your program rather than just to resolve crisis and conflict.
Restorative, we look at it as restorative culture. So restorative is what we do at YouthBuild. It is at the foundation.
Maybe will not be the same path. Maybe in each country you have to find the path to do this.
Should we say our needs are certainly thoroughly capturing the needs and barriers and
Just give us the answer.
Mira, voy a dar un argumento, voy a dar una experiencia.
Or should we focus on employability skills, specifically when thinking about markets where there aren't a lot of existing employment opportunities?
So outcomes and evaluation was a theme around kind of like what we do, how we do it, does it work, should we think about doing this a different way?
The curriculum is not just done because you just want to teach young people, but you want to achieve certain objectives.
Particularly where there used to be big factories that don't exist anymore, is generations of no aspiration.
We're kind of focusing on like outcomes around building community towards systemic change.
We believe that education should meet the academic and personal needs of every student in the country.
So the idea was, can we get together and sort of try to define that You know, what's the purpose of education? What's our model in curriculum and instruction? You know, what kind of, you know, theories is it based on, or education philosophy? And what are we trying to, what are outcomes we're looking for? That was the goal for this meeting.